I will introduce our introduction the digital shift. As London and Trevor point out, e-commerce is fundamentally reshaping how brands connect with customers by creating entirely new types of value. In the premium beauty sector, traditional physical stores are facing a huge pressure to evolve and size model. Techniques saving shoppers here in Malaysia or high mobile internet penetration creates a perfect freedom environment for digital beauty infrastructure. This brings us to our case study from Malaysia, a point study of the luxury conglomerate LVMH. Sephora has successfully positioned itself as technology integrated beauty authority, specifically trained on urban minimize and generalized customers who heavily value aesthetic variety and personalized experience. To capture this field demographic, Sephora utilizes a sophisticated hybrid business model. As cafe experience, this omit strategy bridge the gap between virtual browsing and physical purchase. By harnessing their beauty pass loyalty network, they track customer habits across all touchpoints. As you can see from the visual on the screen, the digital driving foundation allows Sephora to strategically deploy two core AI pillars: the Sephora Visual Artist for AR-based visual try-ons and the Seed Founder for machine learning skin tone matching. This tool successfully eliminated the historical sensory barrier of online beauty shopping, the inability to test products remotely. Now, I will pass the next group member to break down how those AI tools actually work in practice. Thank you.
In this section, we identify two main AI tools used by Sephora Malaysia to improve its e-commerce shopping experience. The first tool is Sephora Virtual Artist. It uses augmented reality and facial recognition to allow customers to try makeup virtually. For example, customers can test lipstick, eyeshadow, blush, or foundation through their phone before making a purchase. This helps reduce uncertainty because customers can see how the product may look on their face before buying online. The second tool is Shader Finder. This tool uses AI image recognition and machine learning to detect a customer's skin tone and undertone. Based on the result, it recommends suitable foundation shades. This is especially useful because choosing the wrong foundation shade is a common problem in online beauty shopping. Overall, these two AI tools help Sephora provide a more personalized, interactive, and reliable shopping experience. They also increase customer confidence, satisfaction, and online sales. Therefore, AI tools are important for Sephora to strengthen its e-commerce performance and competitive advantage.
In this section, I will discuss the application and business impact of Sephora Virtual Artist. Sephora Virtual Artist is one of the most important AI tools used in Sephora's e-commerce platform. It combines augmented reality and facial recognition technology, allowing customers to try beauty products virtually before making a purchase. For example, customers can test different lipstick shades, eyeshadows, blush products, and face eyeshadow directly on their own faces through the website or mobile apps. The first impact of this tool is improving customer satisfaction. In traditional online beauty shopping, customers cannot physically try two products, so they may feel uncertain about whether a color or product is suitable for them. Virtual Artists help solve this problem by creating a more interactive and realistic shopping experience. When customers can see the product effect before buying, they become more confident in their purchase decision. The second impact is personalization, since the tool applies makeup effects based on each customer's facial features, skin tone, lip shape, and eye area. Different users can receive different vision results. This makes the shopping experience more personalized instead of simply showing the same product image to everyone. Virtual artist it also supports forums, e-commerce performance, and omni-channel strategy. By reducing hesitation and perceived risk, it can encourage purchase intention and improve conversion. According to Praise, Sephora virtual artist campaign in Southeast Asia increased virtual artist traffic by 48%, user adopting by 28%, and the usage per user by 16%. Therefore, virtual artists not only improves customers' experience, but also strengthens Sephora Malaysia's online shopping performance and connects online and offline retail channels.
Now let's look at a very important AI tool, the Shade Finder. You see, while the virtual artist shows you how a product looks, the Shade Finder answer is much more critical question. Which shade is actually right for you? The process is very simple. As you can see on the screen, it uses advanced AI image recognition. Customers just need to upload a selfie. Then the system automatically detects their exact skin tone and their undertone, whether it's warm, cool, or neutral. After that, this data is matched with hundreds of products in Sephora's database. Because it is powered by machine learning, the tool gets smarter and more accurate over time. This completely takes the guesswork out of online shopping. Next, let's talk about the business impact, especially for Sephora Malaysia. I have divided this into three main areas. First, it drives deep personalization. Malaysia is a multicultural market, so a one-size-fits-all approach simply does not work. The Shade Finder makes sure that every skin tone is included, which shows great brand inclusivity. Second, it boosts customer satisfaction. It removes the risk of buying the wrong shade, and it's built strong customer trust. Finally, from the operational side, this automated tool handles basic questions, which reduce the workload for store staff. It also lowers product return rate by about 20%. This saves a lot of shipping costs and directly increases long-term customer lifetime value. To conclude my presentation, this part looks at how these two AI tools work together. As you can see in the table, the virtual artist is great for engagement and visualization. It answers how it looks. On the other hand, the Shade Finder focuses on precision and efficiency. It answers what actually fits. These two tools do not compete with each other. Instead, they complement each other perfectly. Together, they create a smooth, low-risk shopping journey. They turn complex technology into a highly personalized human experience, and this gives Sephora a huge competitive advantage in the Malaysia market. That's all for my part. Thank you so much for your time.
In this section, we critically analyze the strengths and limitations of Sephora Malaysia's AI implementation. First, the main strength is that AI tools help move the beauty try-on experience from physical stores to online platforms. Customer can test the makeup virtually and receive personalized recommendations, which reduces uncertainty and increases purchase confidence. This is especially useful in Malaysia because customers have diverse skin tones and different beauty preferences. These tools may also improve efficiency by reducing wrong purchases and return issues. However, there are also some challenges. The first issue is privacy and security, because these tools require softwares, facial scans, and skin data. The second issue is organizing buyers. For example, the system may be less accurate under poor lighting or for darker skin tones. The third challenge is cost. As Sephora leads continuous investment in cloud services, system updates, and local AI improvement. Overall, AI tools can strengthen Sephora's e-commerce performance, but privacy, fairness, and maintenance costs must be carefully managed.
Our conclusion. Ultimately, Sephora Malaysia serves as a definitive case study proving that strategic AI implementation can systematically reduce online purchasing risk and mitigate traditional sensory barriers. As Huang and Rooster argue, personally, the AI in turn is directly enhance previous service quality and customer satisfaction. The Sephora quality and customer satisfaction, the customer visual arts and shade photo are no longer just fancy digital gimmicks. They are clear alternative pillars that drive customer engagement, retention, and actual revenue growth, as illustrated by the integrated data network diagram on the right side of the screen. Sephora's success lies in its seamless omnichannel loop. The hybrid O2O framework captures behavior data, which feed into their machine learning system to continually improve machine accuracy. However, look ahead. The future of AI in e-commerce is not without challenges. As we discussed in our critical analysis, maintaining absolute data privacy under Malaysia's PDPA 2010 regulations and actively remain modes to automate skin tone bias are absolute necessities to ensure true discourse. To conclude, the ultimate competitive advantage in competitive e-commerce landscape belongs to technical-led brands that can do actually what Sephora is doing, translating complex and cold data metrics into hybrid personalized reliable and includes human experience. With that, we end our group presentation. Thank you very much for your time.